4 psychology jobs AI can't kill, but you have never heard of. ChatGPT just wrote a legal brief. AI is also doing financial analysis in seconds. Tech jobs gone, finance disrupted. Even many doctors are using some aspects of AI for diagnosis now. But here's what nobody is talking about. There is one field that AI physically, emotionally, fundamentally cannot replace. Yes, it is psychology. In the next 4-5 minutes of this video, you will understand how and why behind this scenario. In fact, AI has started and will continue to increase earning opportunities for psychologists. So if you are serious about your career in psychology, then this video plus the upcoming 4 episodes in this series can be the best gift for your future. I talk to so many psychology students and professionals who are scared right now. They are saying, Pragya, is AI going to take my job too? And honestly, I get their point. The fear is real. But dear, you are asking the wrong question. The question isn't, will AI replace me? The question is, how do I become the psychology professional AI needs? समझ रहे हो? Because here's the truth that many big career coaches aren't telling you. AI is brilliant at data, AI is brilliant at patterns, but AI is dead without human psychology, without emotion, without trust, and without the human presence. And that lives here, in you, in me, in human beings. And if you are watching this channel, you might already be sitting on a gold mine. Stay with me because in the next 5 minutes, I am going to show you 4 jobs that didn't even exist 5 years ago. And they are all at the intersection of psychology and AI. And to give you the full roadmap in detail over the next 4 episodes, I am going to walk you through each of these 4 brand new, high demand, high paying hybrid roles one by one. So if you don't want to miss any episode, do subscribe and press the bell icon. These aren't traditional therapy jobs. These aren't like a grandmother's age counseling roles. No. These are the jobs of 2025, 2026 and beyond. And almost nobody in India is training for them yet. Which means the window is open. This is the opportunity right now. Right time for you. So, let's go. Number 1, AI Behavioral Analyst. Imagine this, a company launches an AI product. Millions of people use it. But people start using it in ways no founder predicted or understood completely. For example, anxious patterns, addictive loops, or emotional dependency. Then in such a complicated and sensitive situation, who will the company call? It's you, a psychologist who understands human behavior and can read AI data patterns. Number 2, Digital Mental Health Specialist. Mental health apps like Vyza, Viobot or iCall, they are growing at 30% per year in India alone. But here's the gap. Someone needs to design the therapeutic logic behind them. Someone needs to make sure that the app and its features are actually helping people and not just collecting data. And that someone needs a psychology brain. That is your brain. Mental health companies involved in AI do need people trained in handling psychological aspects from the back end. So, definitely future psychologists are needed. Number 3, AI Ethics Consultant. Now this one gives me goosebumps. Every AI company in the world right now is under pressure because government bodies, users, and even media are asking the same question from them. Is this ethical? Is this biased? Or is this harming people? And so, in this situation, who could be the best person equipped to answer that? Obviously, a psychologist, someone trained in human values, moral reasoning, bias, and emotional impact. What do you think? Can't it be you in the future? Number 4, human factors and UX specialist. Every app we use, every AI assistant, every chatbot, someone decided how it feels to use it, how it makes the users think, and how it makes them trust or not trust. The person handling this part, called as human factors specialist, is basically a part designer, part psychologist, and part AI whisperer. What a wonderful skill set! And companies are paying very well for this skill set. देखो, मुझे पता है कि एक ही वीडियो में सारी डिटेल समझ पाना थोड़ा मुश्किल है, इसलिए आप अभी थोड़े कंफ्यूज्ड हो गए। पर मैंने आज सिर्फ इंट्रोडक्शन दिया है अबाउट द अपकमिंग एपिसोड्स। In the next video, we will go deep into the first part, that is AI behavioral analyst. What the job actually looks like, what skills you need, and how you can start positioning yourself from the next day itself. Now listen, I need you to do something for me right now. Think of one person in your life, a psychology student, a counselor, or a friend who is wondering if their career has a future, and send them this video. Because the information I am sharing in the next 4 episodes could genuinely change the fate of your life. I am serious. One share, one person. If you haven't subscribed yet, क्या कर रहे हो? Hit that button right now because this 4 episode series is going to move fast. I am Pragya Prateek and this is The Art of Mindful Thinking. See you in the next video.